The CDC says more children have died of the flu this season than in the last 15 years. KRON 4's Rob Nesbitt talked with an infectious disease expert at UCSF about what hospitals in the Bay Area are experiencing.
More children have died this year of the flu since the global flu pandemic in 2009. The CDC recorded 207 deaths last year, but this year the number has already reached 216. Ask any parent of a school-aged child and they'll tell you how bad this year's flu season has been. Infectious disease expert at UCSF, Dr. Peter Chin-Hong, says the flu season started later than usual and will likely last into summer.
So over the last season, we've definitely seen a lot of hospitalizations and flu cases, more than previously. And not only in the Bay Area, but certainly in California. And there have been a lot of high-profile deaths, not just even in young kids with comorbidities, but even teenagers.
Doctors from the American Academy of Pediatrics say this year's number of deaths is likely an undercount. Dr. Peter Chin-Hong says one contributing factor is less children getting flu shots. The flu vaccination rate for U.S. children has plummeted from about 64% 5 years ago to 49% this year.
Vaccines are really an important issue, not just for kids on an individual level, but on a population level too, because we need enough people vaccinated to protect the people who can't mount an immune system, even if we gave them a vaccine.
At the federal level, there's been a shift when it comes to recommending vaccines for children. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. believes that vaccines are not adequately tested, saying this week that all new vaccines will be required to undergo placebo testing. That's alarming to health experts like Dr. Chin-Hong, who anticipates even more flu deaths in the coming weeks.
Type A to type B, and B affects kids more. So we would expect the number to actually even be higher by the time the official numbers for the year have been tallied.
Dr. Chin-Hong says his #1 recommendation to parents with the flu is vaccination, but he also wants them to know that the medication Tamiflu is available to treat and prevent flu symptoms. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Rob Nesbitt, KRON 4 News.